Sometimes life's most meaningful lessons don't come from books, they come from our festivals. And Rath Yatra is one of those festivals. It teaches us unity, equality, and humanity. Hi, friends, I'm Ibhan Vivan. Rath Yatra is just around the corner, and people are eagerly waiting to celebrate it. Chariots are being decorated, devotees are excited, and the air is filled with devotion. But in today's video, I'm not just going to talk about when it is celebrated or where it takes place. Today, I'm going to talk about why Rath Yatra is more than just a festival. Because when we understand its meaning, we don't just celebrate it, we truly appreciate it. So, guys, let's begin. So, let's begin by knowing what is Rath Yatra. So, Ratha means chariot and Jatra means journey. So, the word Rath Yatra literally means the journey of the chariot. During this time, Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra, and Devi Subhadra are placed on these beautifully decorated chariots and taken out in a grand procession through the streets. During this time, thousands of devotees gather together to sing devotional songs, offer their prayers, and pull the chariot with great enthusiasm. It may look like a very colorful celebration, but behind every celebration lies a beautiful message. So, message number one, God comes to the people. Usually, we visit the temples to seek blessings from the deities. But during Rath Yatra, something very special happens. The deities come out of the temple and travel alongside the people. This reminds us that God is not just limited to one place or one building. Divine blessings are meant for everyone. It is a beautiful symbol of love, compassion, and the idea that no one should feel distant from God. Message number two, unity. Have you ever noticed the thousands or sometimes lakhs of people work together to pull the same chariot? No one can pull such a huge chariot alone. And this teaches us a very important lesson. When people unite with respect, trust, and cooperation, even the biggest challenges become easy to overcome. Unity gives us strength. Message number three, equality. One of the most inspiring lessons from Rath Yatra is equality. People from different backgrounds, communities, professions, and ages stand together during the festival. The ropes of the chariot are open to everyone who follow the local tradition. This reminds us that respect, kindness, and humility are the values that connect us all. Message number four, the chariot is a symbol of life. Many spiritual teachers connect our life to a journey. The chariot represents our life, the road represents our experiences, and the direction we choose depends on our thoughts, actions, and values. Just as a chariot needs guidance and balance, our life also needs discipline, compassion, patience, and honesty. Every day, we choose the direction of our own journey. Message number five, faith inspires good actions. Rath Yatra is not just about rituals. In many places, people organize community meals, help visitors, distribute drinking water, and help those in need. This teaches us that faith becomes meaningful when it teaches us to care for others. Small acts of kindness can make a huge difference. So, even in today's fast moving world, the message of Rath Yatra remains relevant. It teaches us to be united instead of being divided. It teaches us to respect others and help one another and to move forward with hope, faith, and compassion. These values never become old. So the next time you see a Rath Yatra procession, don't only notice the magnificent chariots or celebrations. See the beautiful messages hidden behind them. God is close to everyone, unity makes us stronger, everyone deserves respect, and life itself is a journey where kindness and compassion matter the most. So now you know that Rath Yatra is much more than just a festival. It's a celebration of faith, humanity, and togetherness. So in this vlog, if you learned something new, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next vlog. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching and wishing you and your family a happy, spiritual and joyful Rath Yatra. Jai Jagannath.